Hello. Hello, everybody. Am I audible? Hello.
Hariom, sir.
Hello. Am I audible?
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Very good evening.
Good evening, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are there. Okay. So you are in 7th class, right?
8th, sir.
Yes, sir.
8th, no? Okay.
8.
Yeah. Right. You are in 8th class. Okay. So shall we start the class?
Yeah, sir.
Okay. I am Hemant, sir. I am from Maharashtra, India, and I am your science teacher. I will cover most of the part of your biology as well as chemistry and some part of physics also. Okay. So everybody are comfortable with English.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Which other language do you understand?
Sir, Marathi.
Sir, Telugu.
Marathi, Telugu, and what about Hindi?
Telugu.
For me, Hindi,
Yeah, sir.
Telugu,
Yes, sir.
or,
Hindi.
not
Okay. And what about
for
Hindi?
English, Telugu,
Don't
Hindi,
you?
I can understand.
Okay, everybody.
Sir,
Yes,
some.
sir. Hindi.
Yes, sir. Sir, I can understand.
Okay, because
English
sometime.
also.
Okay, because sometime we will use like some examples of our daily life. So we at that time we will use Hindi also. Okay, so it will become more understandable for us. Is it? Is it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are there. So shall we start?
Sir, you will teach biology.
Biology as well as chemistry.
Okay, sir.
Okay, yeah. So let me
Sir,
share.
now we are doing biology or chemistry.
Wait a second. You are in 8th class right now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 8th class, 8th class, 8th. So today we will start biology section, our first chapter. You know what is our first
Okay.
chapter?
I don't know,
Crop
sir.
production and management.
Yes, crop production and management. I think you can see your first chapter on your screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
you know our country, India, is its economy is totally depend on, not totally, but more than 60% depends only on agricultural product. You know that, Hana? Hello.
Ha, sir.
So
Yes,
Yes, sir.
first I want to know your name one by one.
Sir,
Srishita.
myself, Pallav.
Okay.
Sir, myself, Shahu.
Shahu. Okay. 1, 2.
sir.
Sri-
Myself, Satvik.
Sir, I am Ritesh.
Satvik. Okay.
I'm Sahasra.
Okay. Sri.
Sir, my name is Shrihita.
Srishita. Okay.
Sir, I am Ritesh. Sahasra.
Okay. One more. I think one more we have, no? So Satvik is done, no? Okay. And I am Hemant, sir. Okay. So let's start our session. See, our first chapter is crop production and management. Okay. So this is our first chapter. So as we have already discussed, India is the country where all, most of the economy, like more than 60% of economy of India is totally depend on agricultural product only. Okay, agricultural product only. Okay, so that's why this chapter is in your syllabus, so that you will understand the importance of agricultural, where crop production and how to manage whole year. Okay, starting from the sowing of seeds to harvesting, rearing of crop, then harvesting, and then storing the food grains, or we can say the crop. Okay, so all this activity we have to understand in this chapter. Okay, so crop production and management is our first chapter of our biology section. Okay, so first we have to understand what is crop. Okay, what is crop? So what is crop basically? See, I am also from the agriculture or farmer background. My father is a farmer, and we have a very large crop field, and I have, experience how to sowing the seed in the crop field and everything, how to rear the crop, like there are many activities that we are performing in our crop field. Okay, so what is crop basically? So crop the same kind. See, if we will discuss about the rice. Okay, so in large area in particular season only
Excuse me,
rice.
sir.
Yes.
Sir, you allow Siddharth sir is asking to join.
Okay, wait a second, huh? Wait. Siddharth is there.
Sir, it seems is asking to join.
Admit all. Okay, now everybody is in. Vedika, Srinivas, Siddharth, you are in now.
Sir. Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, beta. Siddharth, no?
Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon, it's evening. Good evening, beta. Yes, any question you have?
Sir, now only I've joined, sir.
Okay. Can you ask, sorry, you can mute yourself first, then we will start the session again. Now, I think everybody is joined now. Yeah. So, shall we start again? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Mhm. Can you see that screen? Crop production and management. Are you able to?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's repeat once again. So as we know, our country India. Okay, no, our country is India. So
Sir.
India's economy is totally, not totally, but more than 60%.
Hemant sir.
Yes.
I'm Manoj here. With your kind permission, I would like to speak something, if you
Okay.
allow me.
Yes, sir. You are welcome.
Dear student, we have a very lovely sir.
Yes.
Sir is having a highly experience in science. He handles even intermediate students. So you people are lucky to have, teaching by Hemant sir. He has plenty of knowledge. He has his own research material and all. Whatever your doubts will be there, get it clarified. And we welcome sir to you. And I'm 100% sure like students will be achieving a new heights. We have a system every year. All the students will be writing national level of exam. So objective oriented for their speed increment and all. We can do small test while teaching itself.
Yes.
Let them to reply privately
Yeah.
If they don't know, they can write IDK, so that you will understand their child psychology and behavior, so that you can be able to correct them.
Mm-hmm.
And all the students, the video should be on during the class. That's all, sir. I'll not take your much time.
Okay.
Once more, once again, welcome to Chanakya tutorial, sir.
Thank
Please
you,
take
sir.
over now, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. So I'm again going to thank Mr. Manoj sir because he has given me opportunity to work in Chanakya tutorial. Okay. So students, shall we start?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So India, our country, its economy is totally, not totally, it is more than 60%. We have already discussed over here. More than 60% of economy of India is depends on the agri product. That means agricultural product only. And in most of the almost states of India, agricultural activities being performed in all the seasons, including summer season, rabi crop, okay, in winter season as well as in rainy season. Whole year in India, agricultural activities are being performed. Okay, so first we have to understand what is crop basically. Okay, so crop is like we were discussing about the rice corn paddy bhi kehte hain, okay. So paddy crop is being cultivated in large area of India in most of the state. So in particular large area, only one type of crop is being cultivated in that particular season, like in summer season as well as in rainy season. Okay, so that particular crop is that particular yield of the crop paddy is nothing but a crop. Okay, so we had to understand it with the help of definition. So plant of the same kind, okay, plant of the same kind that are grown and cultivated as a source of food. So paddy crop, that is rice, we are using as a source of our food only. Okay, in a large cultivated land area is called as, are called as a crop. Okay, so definition is clear. Okay, here I'm going to highlight that particular the important things that for you. See here, the same kind of plants, same kind, okay, same kind of plant that grows or and cultivated in a large area or large land of area for the source of food, for the source of food, because rice, wheat, pulses, all we are using for the food purpose only. Okay, so these all things are nothing but the crop which are cultivated in a large land area. Okay, so now we have to understand what are the types of crop. Okay, so on the basis of the season and duration of time or month of the year, we have classified crop into two main parts. Okay, so first is rabi crop. Okay, so generally the crop which grown in winter season from October to March. See, you have to remember the time period. It is between October to March. Okay, so October to March is rabi crop, and from July to October is kharif crop. So we have two main crop that we are cultivating in our land area, which is kharif and rabi. So for kharif you can write, oh yes, yes,
Nothing.
huh,
Nothing, sir.
okay, okay.
Sir, what are rabi crops called as, sir? Summer crops or winter crops?
So generally
Hello, sir.
it start in winter. It start in winter and ends
Sir?
on summer. Hello, yes.
Sir, what
Mhm.
are rabi crops called as? Summer crops or winter crops?
See, it starts from winter and ends on summer. Okay, generally rice or wheat crop, they takes about 190 days to 120 days. Okay, most of the time it takes also 130 days also. Okay, so these are nothing but the time period which takes crop to grow and to cultivate and harvest. Okay, this is the time period. So on the basis of time period, we are Rabi crop, we are sowing the seed in winter season and we are harvesting in summer season. So it is, we are using both the season in them. So we can't say it is a winter crop or summer crop. That's why the particular name Rabi crop is named here. Okay, Rabi crop. Okay, so you just have to remember the month between October to March. Between here we can write Rabi. Rabi crop is between October to March. Okay, and Kharif crop is between July to October. See, July is ending of our summer season and starting of the rainy season. Okay, so July and between July and October, the crop are called as
Sir?
Kharif. Yes.
Sir, why from means June and means in June why the crops are not cultivated?
See, in June season, there are crop cultivated in up to May. Okay, May में generally crop को हम harvest कर लेते हैं. Which one? Rabi one. At that time, the crop land have to be, you know, dry with the help of sun rays. That's why we had to make our soil ready for the next crop. So we have to give time period to dry completely so that microorganisms and some plants like weeds, they have to be removed and killed by the some chemicals or
Pesticides.
yes, yes, chemicals, pesticides, insecticides are there, and we had to make ready the crop for make ready the land for the next crop. That's why the 2 months we are taking gap. Okay, so that the fertility of the soil can be maintained. Even we are making soil ready for the next crop. That means we are, you know, the tractor we are using that in a particular crop area. Okay, you know that for the cultivator we are using.
sir.
Yes, so for the plowing of soil, we are using cultivator and other instrument that electronic instrument that we are using nowadays. Okay, but in old time, like back about 10 year back or 15 year back, we are using that bull pair of, yes, pair of bull hoe. No, that's how we are using, or person they are doing on themselves only in a crop field. Okay, so that means we were making soil ready for the next crop. That's why 1 to 2 month gap is taken. Okay, your doubt is
Sir,
clear?
like in
Yes, sir, clear.
winter and rainy season, we plant the crops, and in summer, we harvest all the crops.
No, yes, that is Rabi crop. That is Rabi crop. Generally, we are October, it's winter season. Okay, winter season is start from October, then March, April, up to May. Here it is October to March, but up to May, we are harvesting the crop. That is Rabi crop. Okay, and after Rabi crop, we are making our soil or land area for the Kharif crop. Okay.
Sir, harvest the kharif crop.
When we harvest
Sir,
Kharif,
like,
in
yes,
you know,
sir.
yes, in Diwali season, generally October, November, we are harvesting the crop, Kharif crop. See, there are different types of different varieties of crop we are cultivating. Some takes 90 days, some takes 120 days, and some same crop like paddy crop, but we have different varieties in paddy itself. So some of the crop takes about 90 days to harvest, some takes little long time like 120 days to harvest, and some more other crops they takes 130 days to harvest. That's why the time duration is different for different varieties of crop. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So the crop which shown, so I think on the basis of the time period, which month we are showing and which month between we are harvesting, it is not exactly October to March. So it may be before October or maybe it after March. Okay, so time is not fixed. It is general time that we are using here, October to March. So for Rabi crop, you just have to remember October to March we are which crop we are using? Rabi crop we are cultivating in sowing, cultivating, and harvesting. And in
Sir,
yes, हाँ बेटा.
if in a farm, if we harvest the crop on 90th day of the week of
Uh-huh.
the year,
Mm-hmm.
on 91st day, can we grow another crop on the same field
No.
continuously?
See, no. We had to take some. We had to give some time to our crop land so that it will become ready for the next crop. Not
Sir, but
exactly
but
the
in
same
our-
time.
Sir, but in our school they said that we can grow 2-3 crops continuously, and the third crop we have to leave time.
See, if we are growing 2 or more than 2 crop in the same land area, then see, generally in our area, what happens in, there are some in our crop field, there are some small, that field is being ready for the farmers. That small crop land is area is being
Nursery,
formed.
sir.
Yes, it's kind of. So,
Sir, like it will take time for refertilizing itself.
yes, see, what happens in our area, most of the, not in Kharif season, but in Rabi season, generally we are showing grams, grams. So along with gram, they are showing coriander also. They are showing mustard also. So here 2 to 3 crop they are showing in the same time. But harvesting time is for this crop is different. Okay, so coriander is being cultivated before, then gram is being cultivated, and after gram the mustard is being cultivated in our area.
Sir, but
So-
if we first grow a crop, sir, example, if we take rice,
Mhm,
the rice has been harvested.
mhm.
Next, if we grow the gram continuously, then what happens, sir?
See, particular crop absorb particular nutrition from the soil. So once first time suppose in Kharif crop we are sowing rice or paddy crop, and after that, after few days, we'll take again few days to show the gram, then the fertility of soil is being maintained, because the leguminous plant like gram have like rhizobium bacteria, they are growing in a root nodules. Root में nodules होते हैं. In root nodules the rhizobium bacteria is being grown there, and it have capacity, that bacteria have capacity to deposit free nitrogen of the surrounding in the soil. So this is called as crop rotation. So first paddy crop, paddy is monocotyledon. Monocotyledon means it has only one pulse. Okay, one halls have. But in dicotyledon like gram, we have 2 halls. If you will break the gram, you will find 2 pulses. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 2 pulses means if we had 2 pulse or halls, means it is dicot. Dicot. Like gram, we have gram. But if we'll discuss about the monocot, it have only 1 halls. One halls we have, that means it is called as monocot. Mono means 1 and cot means hall. So we are called as it is monocotyledon and dicotyledon. So monocotyledon, for example, we have rice, or we can say paddy also. Paddy. Okay, so paddy is monocotyledon and gram is dicotyledon. Okay, so monocot and dicot, they have to be crop rotated in the same crop field. If we are sowing in different season, we have to apply the crop rotation to maintain the fertility of the soil. Is it? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay. So it is good.
Sir, like dye means 2, sir.
Will you please repeat?
Sir, like dye means 2.
Yeah, and cotyledon means halls, part of the seed.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, okay. So I hope you have understood what is crop and what are the main 2 types of crop. Okay, so just we had to repeat once. Plants of the same kind that grown and cultivate as a source of food in a large cultivated land are called as crop. Okay, and in types of crop, on the basis of the time period, okay, like October to March, we are sowing the crop which is called as Rabi crop, and we are sowing the crop between the July to October month, we are called as Kharif crop. Okay, is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we have to move on the next part, which is the preparation of soil. See, we have already been discussed, is it? So now we have to understand preparation of soil in a deep. See, preparation of soil is the first step in cultivating the crop for the food production. Okay, it is the first step. Before sowing the seed, we had to make our soil ready for the proper sowing of seed. Okay, so that the germination of seed will be proper. So we will get proper yield of the crop. So soil preparation of soil is the must, and it is the first step in cultivating the crop. The soil is prepared for sowing the seed of the crop. That means we are applying all the activities, like we are adding manures, we are adding fertilizers, we are plowing the soil, we are removing the weeds also. So what are activities we are doing? We are removing the, let me change the ink. Okay, we are removal of weeds. You know what are weeds? What are weeds? Weeds are the,
Unnecessary plants grown in the
yeah,
field.
yeah,
Unnecessary plants grown in the field.
yes, unwanted plants that grows along with the crop in a crop field are called as weeds. Okay, so weeds are really very dangerous because they absorb all the nutrients we are providing for the crop. That's why weeds are not being good for our crop. Okay, so for the
Does
uh-huh.
wheat have any advantages?
Advantages, I think we do. Some weeds are, they are medicinally useful. Otherwise, we do not have any advantages of weeds. Okay, some
Okay.
weeds are being
That
used.
type,
Uh-huh.
sir, that type of weeds are grown separately, or
See, most of the medicinal plant, they are grown separately in a particular land area. If we will grow, if weeds are growing along with our crop, means they are harmful to the crop because they absorb all the nutrients around them. That's why around the weed, the crop plants are not being, grown properly, because they absorb nutrition which are responsive, which were maybe plant, like a crop plant may absorb that particular nutrition for their growth, but weeds, they are absorbing such nutrition. That's why weeds are not useful or not good for our crop. Okay, so for the soil preparation, the first thing we have to perform the removal of weed. Then we are performing next plowing of soil. Plowing of soil.
Yes, sir.
I have a doubt.
Uh-huh.
Sir, how do the weeds grow? Like normally if we plant with a seed and it grows, but how do weeds grow?
See, generally, weeds seed, they are, they present along. Hello, yes. Let me explain first. Okay. So generally, what happens? Weeds, they are already present, like seed of the wheat, they are present along with the crop seed. So that time they grows along with the crop, or weeds, they present in a crop field itself. If they present in a crop field, their nodes, like weeds plant have nodes on their stem. From nodes, they also grown in a, like ideal condition, like temperature, pressure, and water, if they get in their surrounding, so they grows in a crop field itself. So weeds, they are being, they are being they present in a crop field, or their seeds present along with the crop seed. That's why they grows in a crop field. Most of the
Sir,
activities.
I have a doubt.
Yes, yes. What is your doubt?
Sir, you said that the wheat seeds are present with the actual plant seeds.
Yes.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, along with
Then for
actual
every-
plant seed.
Then for every crop it should grow, na, sir, for wheats.
Yes.
But we will find wheats in any particular space only. We can't find everywhere the wheats.
See, generally what happens, different types of weeds, they grow in a different season only. If you will find in rainy season, different types of weeds are being produced or they grown in a crop field. And in winter season, in Rabi crop, different types of plants, wheat plants that grows along with the crop. Okay, so they also grown, even most of the weeds have their seeds, they grow after 2, 3, 4, 5 years when ideal condition comes. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Mhm. So plowing of soil is then sun drying is very important. Sun drying. That means we have, it is G. Okay. See, we have to plow the soil and we have to keep the soil, open for the sun drying for 4 to 5 days, so that all the bacteria, like bacteria, they also causes some disease on the plant. Okay. So weeds, they may, their stems, they has to be dead in particular season so that they are not going to grow in the next crop. So all these things have to be performed in our crop field area. Okay, so first is removal of weed, plowing of soil, then sun drying, and then adding of manures. Manure.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Like
Animal.
in our area, that vermi fertilizers, vermi compost.
Yes, sir.
Yes, it is being
Yes, sir.
it is being added in a soil so that the fertility of the soil is being maintained. Okay, so all these activities are performed by the farmers in a crop field, and the soil then becomes ready for the next crop. Okay, so all these are the activity. This is carried out using the various processes and tools. Okay, so all this, like plowing of soil, we are using different tools. Okay, for the removal of weeds, we are using different tools, etc. Okay, so we are using different tools also. We will discuss about the some tools that we are using here. Okay. So for the preparation of soil, we have discussed all these 3 points, and these are also, see, you have to write this particular activities also: removal of weed, plowing of soil, sun drying, manure, adding of manure, etc. Manure adding. Okay, so these are the activities that farmer performing in his crop field. Okay. Okay, so any doubt you
Okay,
have?
sir.
Otherwise, we will to move on the next part.
No, sir.
Okay.
No doubt, sir.
Sir, can we process the seeds of the crop in such a way that the weeds will not grow?
See, we are using a large number. See, in India, we have already discussed that 60% of our economy is totally depends on agricultural product only. That means we Indians are producing crop in a large scale. So the removal of weed seed from the crop field as well as from the main crop seeds is very difficult and very costly process. So generally we are not performing this process. It's very cost effective. Okay.
Sir, and you said some weeds will be useful, no, sir?
See, there are some weeds, they are like, in our area, one of the weed called Kammar Mudi. It is very useful because, like, if you will get hurt, your leg or maybe your hand maybe get hurt, and it is bleeding, then if you had to, crush the some few leaves of the that particular plant and you had to apply on the wound, so bleeding will stops and your wound will get healed soon. Okay, this is one of the medicinal
Okay.
plant in our area we have, and it is being used
Sir?
in, yes.
Sir, like the medicinal power will, how will the medicinal power will come to the weed, sir?
See, there are some weeds, they have medicinal property. They have medicinal property in them.
Okay, sir.
Okay, few of them, otherwise weeds are weeds, unwanted plants. Okay, because most of the plant we have in our surrounding, but we know how and where they are going to use, because we are unaware about them. But the researchers, those who are research, they have made research, many research on the plants, they know all these things. Even they know some of them only. Okay, so in our surrounding we have number of plenty of plants, but we know where this plant is going to be used or not medicinally. Okay, we have no
Okay,
knowledge
sir.
about it, that's why we are showing they are weeds, but some weeds have medicinal property too. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so crop is done, types of crop is also done, and preparation of soil is done. So after class you have to make your own notes also. Okay, by using your book. You have your textbook, right?
Sir?
You have textbook now.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Sir, I
so
have a doubt.
yes,
Sir, why are additional plants called weeds, sir?
they are not additional plant, they are unwanted plant, because we do not have any use of those plants, they are weed for us.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, any doubt, anybody?
No, sir.
Okay, now next part we are going to discuss about the tilling and plowing. See, tilling and plowing is nothing, but we already discussed here. See, what happens most of the time we are using tractors and harvesters in our cropland area. So the soil is, the soil become harder and harder due to using of heavy vehicles in our heavy vehicles, or we can say tractors or harvesters in our crop field area. So most of the soil is and manure is being not used due to the soil becomes very hard, and water holding capacity of the soil is also decreases. Okay, so to overcome from this problem and to increase the fertility as well as water holding capacity of the soil, we are applying tilling or plowing process. That means हम क्या करते हैं एक्चुअल में, नीचे की सॉइल को ऊपर और ऊपर की सॉइल को नीचे करते हैं. Okay, this is the process called tilling and plowing. Okay, the process of loosening means we are making our soil loose so that
Breaking
soil,
the hard rocks.
yes, so rocks, or yes, we can say the big pieces of the cropland. Okay, so we are breaking down
Breaking the
into
plant.
the small pieces so that the minerals will get free, so that plant is going to absorb easily. Okay, so the process of loosening and turning of the soil. Turning of soil means अभी just we have discussed ऊपर के soil को नीचे और नीचे के soil को ऊपर करना is called as turning of the soil. See, turning of soil. Okay, and losing of soil, so that the all the minerals they are in a soil, they will become free for the absorption of the plant, so the plant will absorb them easily. Okay, it's called as tilling or plowing, and it is done
Sir,
by
is
the
tilling, is tilling and plowing different, sir?
no, they are same.
Okay, sir.
We can say they are the synonyms, different names for the same meaning. Okay, so this is the process called tilling or plowing. Okay, and the tool we are using is called as plow. Okay, so I think we have the diagram. See, here we have the plow. You know that? See, here the farmer is holding all these two handles, and here the two bulls, you know, bulls. Okay, they are holding the front part of it. Okay, and we are using this tool for the plowing of soil. This is called as plow. Okay, it is a traditional one, but
Okay, sir.
nowadays we are using tractor with 9 or 11 plows are there. So the process of plowing becomes easier and faster. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
so
Yes, sir.
I hope you have understood tilling and or plowing of the soil. It is again a part of preparation of soil. The process of loosening and turning of the soil is called as tilling or plowing, and it is done by using plow, or here you can write also harvester. No, we cultivator. Okay, it is called as cultivator. Okay, by using tractor. I think we have with one photograph of it also. See, you can see here, it is cultivator. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You can see, yes, this is the cultivator. So in crop, because it is very time consuming.
Sir,
Okay.
like we'll separate the crop plants and the
Will you
sir,
please
like the
re-
grains.
will you please repeat again?
Sir, like it will separate the.
No. It is used for the tilling and plowing of the soil only. For separation of the grain from the crop is called as harvesting, and we are using harvester for harvester is there, thresher is there. These are the different tools we will discuss later on. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Any doubt
Okay,
till
sir.
here?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir, no doubt.
Now we have to discuss about the plow. It is nothing but the tool. It is the tool that we are using in our crop field. It is the tool. Okay. The plow is a device. It is the device. It is not electronic one. Huh? It is the device that is used by the farmer for the different purposes, such as adding of fertilizer. Okay, see, when fertilizer is being added, it had to be mixed in a soil. So before plowing the soil, we are adding manures and fertilizers also. Okay, so plow
Okay, sir.
is a device that is used by the farmers for different purposes. Okay, for adding fertilizers, tilling and loosening of the soil. Okay, so plow is a really very important tool for the farmers. It
Sir,
is
I have a doubt.
yes.
Sir, we will add fertilizers on the crops or on the plain ground, sir?
See, what happens in our area, we are using different types of crop in different season. If we are using same type of crop in all the seasons, then see, suppose like we are we are growing only paddy crop, rice crop in a whole year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year, we are growing only one type of crop. Then the particular crop has capacity to absorb particular nutritions only. Other nutrition will remain in the soil, which are not going to be used. So all this nutrition, they were present in excess in the soil, then the soil will become barren, unfertile. Okay, so we had to apply the crop rotation in our crop field. Okay, so most of the time what we are doing, our soil is being tested in a forensic lab. Most of the nutrition, like in our crop field, nitrogen have to be there. Okay, nitrogen, phosphorus have to be there.
Yes, sir. NPK test.
Yes, phosphorus has to be there. Okay, potassium. Okay, nitrogen is N, phosphorus is P, and potassium, its symbol is K. Okay, so they have to be present in a particular area. Okay, that's why we had to check our soil first, which type of nutrition we have in our soil and which type of nutrition will be required. Okay, so if we will require, suppose, phosphate, then we can, add fertilizer before the growing the crop. Then we have to mix it properly, and then we have to sow the seed also. Okay, so
Okay, sir.
before sowing the seed, we can generally we are applying we are adding manure before sowing the seed. Okay, that have to be mixed properly in a soil during the plowing of soil. Okay. So it is also used for adding fertilizers to the soil, removing weeds also, and scraping of the soil also. Okay, what is scraping of soil?
The mixing of the soil.
Yeah, we can say mixing of fertilizers in the soil properly. Okay, we are using that plow also. Okay, so these are the uses of the plow. We have more uses. The where, see, at 1 and 2 points are very, very important that you have to remember. Okay, or you can, you have to just understand, and you have to develop your writing skill so that you can write on your own. Okay. Next, see, plowshare is a triangular iron strip. So you can see here, this one, this part. Okay, it is the triangular iron sheet. Why we are not using wooden one? Wooden sheet we are not using here. Why?
Sir, you're getting,
Sir, because it can become blunt after some uses.
And maybe
sir,
it
your
will
voice
break.
was breaking, sir.
My voice is breaking now.
No,
Yes,
sir,
sir,
it's clear.
something.
Clear.
Okay, see, we are not using wooden one because wood is very, it is not very hard as compared to the iron. So one time, 2 time using, that particular part will get breakdown. That's why we are using the iron one. Okay, it is very hard, and life becomes long. Okay, so plow, we are discussing about the plow. Okay, so we are using the iron strip. It is a triangular shape so that the soil can be plowed easily. Okay, again, next,
Okay, sir.
the plow shaft is a main part of the plow. See, this is the shaft, because here these bulls, okay, these are the bulls. Okay, these are the bulls. The bulls have to be, pull this plow in order to plow the soil. Okay, that's why this shaft is very, very important. Okay, this here, the plow shaft is main part of the plow, which is made using a log of the wood log we are using for the making plow shaft. Next, the other end of the shaft has a handle, so that, see, these are the handle. Wait. These are the handles. These are the handles. Okay, so by using handles, farmer can easily handle the plow in a proper manner. Okay, so these are the handles. Next, the other end is attached to the beam, which is placed on the bull's neck. Okay, so these are the bulls, and this part. Okay, it is hold with the help of bull's neck, and then bulls are pulling the hoe in a particular direction where the farmer is going to order them. Okay, so it is the main part. Again, the wooden traditional plows can be operated by a pair of an ox. Generally we are using pair. It is first ox and it is another second one. Okay, that means we have 2 oxen 2 hai, it is nothing but the pair. Okay, so pair of ox are being used for the pulling plow in a crop field. Okay. And a man, and for what purpose the man is being using here? To operate the plow properly in a crop field. Okay. Nowadays, these wooden plows are being replaced by the iron plows. And nowadays, this wooden is not being used, but they are used iron plow. Okay, iron plows are being used. Okay, and most of the time is plowing is not being used. Instead of plow, we are using the cultivator by using tractor also. Okay, so these are nothing but the part of the preparation of soil and plow. Okay, so in plow, you have any doubt? Any doubt? Anybody?
No, sir. No, that.
Okay.
No, sir.
Okay, so this is all about the description of the plow. Okay, now hoe. See, I hope, or everybody knows the hoe. Even I have on my home. I have at my home also. Do you have? Like,
Yes, sir.
okay. I am staying about 30 kilometers away from my house. Okay, I am in a Gondia city. So in Gondia city, I have, the small garden in our backyard. So there we are growing tomatoes plant. Okay, there I am using tomatoes and some vegetables also. So I am using that hoe. So I hope properly you all have
Excuse me, Hemant sir.
Yes, sir. Hello, yes, sir.
Hemant sir,
Yes, sir.
please check up some students are in waiting room. I think pop-up is not coming to you. If someone is there in waiting room, please admit.
Okay, wait a minute. No, sir. No one. Yes,
Nobody is.
waiting. One is in waiting room. Everyone is. No, sir. Everybody are in. It is showing one is in waiting room, but nobody is there. Only message is there. Okay. Yes. One is there. Huh. Now it's joining. Navyasri.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now says in.
Okay, right.
Yeah. Navyasri. You are in, beta. Navyasri.
Sir, she can't hear you because her audio is not connected.
Okay. From her side, no? Okay, now next.
Hello?
Hello.
This is Navya's mom.
Okay, yes, ma'am.
Today actually she taught Vedic Max and she was waiting in that room.
Okay. I thought she was in science class. Okay, science class is yes, is will up to 20 minutes more. We have science class. Probably after that there will be.
Swati ma'am, Manoj here.
Yeah, yes, Manoj.
Yes, ma'am. I think in future the Vedic mathematics classes shall be 4 p.m. only. I think we have messaged also. Her Vedic mathematics will be on Thursday. So if any
Okay.
communication that will be informing in advance, ma'am.
Okay.
So recurring meetings, you can save it, ma'am, for future references. So accordingly, you can be
Okay,
able to
fine,
just.
but 4 o'clock means Sana, Navyashree cannot attend. She has school until 5.
Okay, okay. No worry, ma'am. That recordings will be there. If she wish to see those recordings, she can see those things, because again, there is a timing clash actually.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. We can discuss that separately.
Okay, okay, fine.
Thank you.
Okay. So everybody, so we are going to discuss about the hoe. Okay. So again, it is another tool which is used by the farmers in the crop field. A hoe is a tool that used to dig up the soil, to remove the weeds, and to loosen up the soil before planting a sapling. Okay. So everybody is here now. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. I thought governor or
Yes,
something.
sir.
Okay. So the hoe. So we are discussing about the hoe. So I hope everybody is aware about the hoe. Okay. So hoe is nothing but it is another tool which is used by the farmers for then yes.
Sir, can you see me?
Yes, I can hear you, beta.
Okay. Sir.
Okay. So it is used for the removal of weed and loosen up the soil also, and sometimes it is used for the digging the soil for the planting the saplings. Okay, so this is the tool that farmer is using. Okay, so any doubt here?
No, sir, no doubt.
Okay, so now we are
No
going
doubt.
to yes.
Sir, I said no doubt.
Okay, beta. So we have to discuss about the cultivator. So here we have used one word here, sapling. What is sapling?
Sir, it is
Sir,
a small plant.
Yes, that is going to be used, or that going to be grow in a crop
Grow,
field.
sir.
Okay, yeah. So now we had to discuss about the cultivator. Okay, see now modern time technology is growing in all the field, starting from the space to our crop field. In space technology is also we are growing, and tremendous amount of innovations are being done for the starting from the space to the crop field of the farmer also. Okay, so even farmer is using the devices like we are using tractor, so all the seasons we are using different types of tool in crop field. One of them is cultivator. Okay, so cultivator is a device which is used along with the tractor for the plowing of the soil. It is really a very time consuming one. Okay, so what is cultivator? The cultivator is attached to, it is attached to the tractor. Okay, very important, it is attached to the tractor and helps in loosening of the soil and plowing also. Okay, so cultivator are used instead of the plow since they are very faster, because cultivator are very faster. In a less time they can plow the large crop land area. That's why nowadays cultivators are very famous, okay, in a crop field, because it is really very time consuming one. Okay, so any doubt here?
No, sir, it's clear.
Okay, so now sowing is again, see, after making our soil ready, now whatever we have discussed till now, it is nothing but we were making our soil ready for the sowing of seed. Okay, so now we are discussing about the sowing. The sowing is the process of planting the seed in the soil. Okay, sowing means the planting of the seeds in the soil is called as sowing. The seeds are sowed in the soil, are loosened by the cultivator or the plow. So first what we have done, we have the made soil lose in order to plant the seed in the crop field. Okay, this is the main part of the growing crop. Okay, so first what we have discussed, we have discussed the preparation of soil, preparation of soil, and after that we are sowing the seed. Or
Sir, after sowing seeds, is it irrigation?
yes, we will discuss each and every, the part one by one. Okay, sowing seed. See,
Okay.
the moisture, the water holding capacity. Okay, the water holding capacity of soil is become very, very, high once it is being plowed by the cultivator or by using the hoe, by using the plow. Okay, so by plowing and tilling the soil, the water holding capacity of the soil increases, and it is very useful and good for the germination of seed. Okay, so after sowing the seed have to be germinate in a proper way, so it require moisture, proper temperature. Okay, so for the proper temperature and water, when seed get in its surrounding, so it germinate properly. Okay, and the seedling is formed from there. Okay, so this is all about the sowing. Okay, now quality of the seed that we have to discuss, because the whatever the seeds we are using in our crop field area, that their quality have to be proper. Okay, so quality of seed is an important factor which is determine the crop yield, because the good seed will produce the high yield of the crop. Okay, that's why it is very, very important. Okay, so quality of seed is important factor for determine, because it determines the crop yield. The good seed will produce the better yield of the crop. That's why the selection of good is done by putting the seed in water. If you will put seed in water, most of the seed will swim on the surface. That seed was not being, germinate properly. Okay, because sometime what happens, the some seed they are not growing properly. Okay, when in a crop field there is some lacking of the minerals or water, or maybe by it is being affected by the some disease. Okay, so the seed are not being proper. That's why we had to, before sowing we had to, add all the seeds before sowing the soil, before sowing in the soil in the water. So the water, what will happen there, the the poor quality of seed will float on the water, and which can be separate easily, and good quality of seed will be submerged in a water that we can use for the sowing purpose. Okay, so that's why seeds are added in a water before sowing the in a crop field.
Sir, I
So-
have a doubt.
Yes, yes, yes.
Sir, is there any another method to check the quality of seeds?
See what happens, good quality of seed are very high, heavier as compared to the poor quality of seed. So by in front of air is blowing from the some source, and if we'll add properly the soil, the light seed will float away from the heavier seed. So this is one of the another method by which we can separate the good quality seeds and poor quality seeds. Okay, by using blown air. Okay, so light seed will blown away,
Okay,
and the
sir.
heavier seed will stay near the fan or near the source of the air. By this we can again separate the good quality seed as well as poor quality seed. Okay, so selection of good seed is done, but generally it is done by the adding in water only. Okay, so the dead and damaged, see here, the dead and damaged seed become hollow and float on the water, whereas the good seed will sink, and this good seed and the damaged seed we can separate easily. Okay, this is the very proper and famous method for the separation of the good quality seed and poor quality seed. Okay, so this is the how we are going to select the good quality of seed. Here, any doubt? See,
No,
the-
sir.
No,
okay,
sir,
No,
no doubt.
sir.
okay. Another method, see here we are using the fan. Okay, it is the fan. Okay, and we are pouring the seeds
Sir,
from,
and one more doubt, sir.
yes. We can discuss this
Sir,
first.
in quality, sir,
See.
like in quality of seeds, when like why will the good seed sink, sir? Like
Because they are heavier. See, suppose this is the seed. Suppose this is the seed. If this seed is get damaged, so will become hollow from here, and air will go here. And when we will add in water, this seed will float on the surface of water. Okay, but the good quality seed, they are way heavier, that's why, and their density is higher than water, that's why they get sink here. Okay, so we can
yes,
separate
sir.
them
Like
easily.
I'm asking, how are they heavier? Like that I'm asking. Like, do they contain anything
See, because
differ?
see, inside the seed you will find, if we will take example of rice, so rice contain grain inside them, so grain is becomes heavy. Okay, that's why due to heavy grain they sink in a water, because the good quality seed have higher density than water. So this density, if is have higher, then will sink in water. If density is lower, will float on the water. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so this is the method, one of the method by which we can separate good quality and poor quality seed. Here we are pouring the seed, so the good quality seed, they are heavier, so they will collect over here, and the poor quality seed, they will float away with the current of air. Okay, so this is another method by which we can separate good quality seed, and here the poor quality seed.
So actually, the farmers will throw the seeds in the wind, so not in the fan. In the wind, good seeds will fall down. So that.
Yeah, sometime. But I have seen in my area, most of the farmers, they are, using water for the separation of good quality and poor quality seed. Okay, they are, using water only. They are having large container where they are putting all the seeds along with water, so that the poor quality of seed that float surface on the surface of the water, and they can be separated easily. Even in my home, in my crop field, we are applying the water method only. Okay. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so any doubt in good separation or selection of good quality seed?
No, sir.
Okay,
No, sir.
so now we are going to
Sir,
use
any grain in water, the good grains will float on water and the bad grains will sink.
we can't say bad grain and good grain, we can say the good quality and poor quality.
Okay, sir.
Okay, because
The
good
good grain
quality,
will sink, no, sir. The
because
good
good
seed.
good quality seed have higher density than water, that's why they get sink, and
Yes, sir, they will sink.
poor quality sink, they get damaged and they becomes hollow. Okay, that's why their density is becomes lower than the water, that's why they sink, they float on the surface of water. Okay,
Okay, sir.
that's why generally water is being used. So we have discussed about the quality of seed also. So, Manoj sir, are you there?
Yes, sir. You may please, I think session is over, no, sir, for today.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you may end the session now, sir.
Okay, sir. Yeah. So, students, we will meet on next lecture and we will discuss about the traditional tools. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So, if you
Okay,
have,
sir.
so you have to repeat this session once, twice, so that you will understand each and every part precisely and clearly. And if you will get any doubt, then we will discuss in next section. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So, bye for now.
Okay, sir. Bye, sir.